Today, I'm going to show you how you can use new paid AI models like Kimi K2.6 and not only Kimi K2.6 but also MiniMax M2.7 completely free on VS Code without using any single API or any local AI models or any GPU. So it will be completely free and you can use it directly in your VS Code. So for that, just simply go to your VS Code, and here, if you just take a look, I have the test sample here, which I have mostly used it. Okay, so here I have a test.py as well. But today we will just focus on landing.html. Okay, so now let me tell you how you can use it. So simply just to go to your extension area and here search for Blackbox. You heard it right, guys. I am going to use Blackbox, and you mostly have this AI, but I don't know if you know it, but yeah, this AI tool gives you free free tools that you can use it. So let me tell you how. So here, as you can see, I have installed it successfully, and here comes the black box. Now click here, and it will take a little time, and here comes the black box. Now here, continue for free. If you have a pro plan, you can go with that, but I will go with continue for free. Okay, here now click on next and continue. So here you can see I don't have to log in and anything, but I got this panel. Here, if you just click here, you can just check the tool configurations and other stuffs. Then here, if you have any skills or if you want to create or just name it, you can use it later. Then here there are some MCP servers. Okay, you can use. But if you have another MCP servers and not existed here, you can just simply go to installed and you can just add it. Okay, so we will not do that yet. Now comes here, you can add the context and so on. Now here comes the main thing. As you can see here, if you just click on select AI models, you can see there are some free two models that two are available like MinMax M2.7 and Kimi K2.6. And I already told you that they are free tools. Here you can see there are some plans that are paid. Now here you can see Claude and Codex you can use as well. But I will go with Kimi K2.6 here. Okay. Now here I have created a prompt for a proper landing page. Okay, and also I have set to create in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and make sure to create a blackbox.html file. Okay, and after that, it will just start thinking. Okay, and if you look at this, it asks for pro models for better accuracy, but we will go with free plans and let's see what design it will create. So here it start reading in landing.html, and here you can see it just read everything. Okay, now comes with edit part, and here you can see it toggles everything, and here it created a plan. Okay, so now here it says landing page contain a hero plus Napa theme, but it doesn't include the required Bento grid. So here comes the next plan to create a proper design. Okay, now it asks a question like proceed or not. So I will just click on proceed, and now it start working. So as you can see, now it start thinking everything, and here you can see now here look at this, it start writing all the codes and all the stuffs at the right hand side. Okay, and not only that, but when it finish it will update in left hand side as well. So let's see how much time it will take. So in the meantime, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like it and share this video to your friends and your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We are very near to 30K, and if you like this video, guys, make sure to like it. I hope it will give you what you want to do, because if you want to use separate AI models, it will take a long time. Okay, and using open code and other stuffs, it will not good enough. But using this in VS Code directly, you can just use your whole agentic workflow directly here. Okay, so make sure to check this out, guys. And here it takes a little time. As you can see, it already written 300 lines, 300 plus lines of code in their only styling part. And here after that, it will go with HTML and JavaScript part. So let's wait. So guys, it's finally complete the site, and here you can see it created almost 1300 lines of code. Okay, so now it's time to check this out, like how and what it's look like. So here just go with open with live server and click on it, and here the design. So here the theme is Blackbox, as I told, and here the features and Bento grid pricing and get early access. Then below here you can see the design that looks totally crazy, guys. Here if you can see, it also added some hover effects and more. And here, that's all, guys. So yeah, there is two designs. Like here you can see this is hero section, and below here's a Bento grid layout, and that's look cool, guys. So it created perfect. As you can see, it literally writes 1300 lines of code, which is like a great thing. And here you can see it asks some questions as well, and if you want to fix it, it can also fix that part. Here you can see. So that's all about today's video, guys, and if you like this video, make sure to like it, comment your best part in this video, and don't forget to share this video to everyone. So see you in the next video, guys, and also subscribe our channel because we are very near to 30K, so make sure to subscribe us. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.